Hey there, rockstar. Let's talk about something that makes even the most passionate business owner break out in a cold sweat: marketing. The big scary M word. Does promoting yourself make you want to hide? You're not alone. So many entrepreneurs pour their heart into their work, but freeze when it's time to tell the world. Maybe you're an introvert, or you've seen sleazy sales tactics and want no part of it. Or maybe it's just overwhelming. SEO, funnels, algorithms. It can feel like you need a PhD just to post online. But here's the secret. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated or icky. What if instead of selling, you thought of it as sharing? Sharing your passion, your solution, your belief in making someone's life better. When you shift from selling to sharing, everything changes. It feels natural, authentic, even fun. Marketing is simply letting people know you have something that can help them. It's about connection, conversation, and service. Ready to share your magic with the world? Let's break it down, step by step. Every business needs a home on the internet, a website. Don't panic. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Platforms like Squarespace, Wix, or Card make it easy for beginners. Start simple. A homepage, an about page, and a contact page. That's it. For example, if you're a baker, show off your cookies, share your story, and let people know how to order. Your website is your digital front door, one you own and control, unlike social media. Don't let tech intimidate you. Choose a template, add photos, write from the heart, and hit publish. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Your digital home is waiting. Build it one click at a time. You've got this. Now that you have your digital home, how do you invite people over? Social media is your friendly party. Don't shout, buy my stuff. Mingle, make friends, and have real conversations. Be social, not salesy. Share helpful, entertaining, or inspiring content 80% of the time, and talk about your offer just 20%. Our gluten-free baker? She shares kitchen videos, baking tips, and happy customer photos, not just sales pitches. Pick one platform where your audience hangs out. Don't try to be everywhere. Consistency beats intensity. A few thoughtful posts a week are better than sporadic blasts. Show behind-the-scenes moments, answer questions, and let your personality shine. Respond to comments and engage with others. Be human. Build relationships and provide value, and sales will follow naturally. Social media is about connection, not just promotion. One of the most powerful marketing moves? Join online communities where your ideal customers already hang out. Don't spam. Show up to serve and be helpful. Listen first. What are people asking? What do they need? This is free market research. When you can help, offer genuine advice, no strings attached. Over time, people will see you as the go-to expert and start to trust you. They'll check out your profile and website on their own. Some groups even have promo days. By then, you're a valued member, not a stranger. Marketing through generosity is incredibly effective. Find your people, show up, and serve. We've covered a lot. Reframing marketing, building a website, being social, and joining communities. Here's the key. You don't have to do everything at once. Take one small step today. Maybe brainstorm a website name, try a template, join a group, or jot down post ideas. The path to success is built on tiny, consistent steps, not giant leaps. Each action builds momentum and confidence. Forget perfection. Your first try won't be perfect, and that's okay. Done is better than perfect. Action beats fear. You have a unique gift to share, and marketing is just the bridge to those who need it. You've got this. Still unsure where to start? Take my free quiz to discover your best online business idea. Take that first step. Go get 'em.